Hey guys, Ben with American Equipment here. Wanted to bring you a video, show you our Easy Kleen Magnum 4000 Gold Series hot and cold pressure washer. Check us out online. Post a link down at the bottom of the screen there. We do rentals here out of Marion, Indiana, surrounding counties, and go all the way to Indianapolis, Fort Wayne, and even further for some of our higher price rentals. So check us out online and give us a call if you need a rental in the area. But I wanted to bring you a video, show you my hot pressure washer, and show you a walk around here and show you some of the modifications that I've done on the equipment. It's got electric start or pull start if the battery's dead. But there's your diesel fill, number 2 fill for your burner, gasoline fill for your engine there. Got your throttle, choke, and fuel shut off. There's your on and off for your burner and your temperature control. I mounted a cheap option there just with some straps, some tie straps, and it's for my wand. Just keeps everything kind of organized. We did modify this to put the hose reel on it. I'll show you that here in just a second. There's kind of your walk around. There's your pump. Came with extra seal O-rings. There's your check there. Now we did modify this and put the hose reel on the back. It's because we did that because your diesel tank is on the front half. It's a 10-gallon tank. Your engine weight and the gasoline weight is all in the front. All you have is the burner on the back. This is the 450-foot hose reel we bought from General Pump. We added this. This will not be taken off. Just goes directly to the to the hose reel. And what we did was we added these 2 bars right here so we could bolt the hose reel onto the unit. And this acts as a good counterweight. Makes it easier to steer the machine, the piece of equipment, because all your weight's on the front. And if you were to tip it forward and have your hose reel on the front, it'd be pretty front heavy. And you could tip it forward, tip the piece of equipment forward. I've never mounted it on the front, so I can't say that with 100% certainty, but there is a lot of weight on the front of this equipment. So this is a 450-foot hose reel we bought from General Pump. Bought it for $119, I think, online. That included shipping. You can see here, it's locked right now, but to release lock, all you gotta do is that, and you can turn it, just release it, turn it until it locks. It's pretty quick. We can put up to they claim 450-foot hose. It's got 150 on it right now. I'll probably add some more a little bit later. But this is a Parker 436-6, I believe, hose. It's rated for water and at 4,000 psi up to 300 degrees. I think this unit will reach 220 or 30 degrees. So that hose is rated. It's we just got it at the hydraulic shop because it was easier for, they could do that with their fitting machine, and they couldn't do the water pressure hose. So we just did that instead, since it's just going to be set in place. The option that they had for on their sticker here, these are just instructions on how to start the unit up and shut it down. You can buy a rotary nozzle. I actually do have one back there, and I paid $60 from Water Pressure Direct, I think. Washer Pressure Direct, I think. And then my hose reel, like I said, was $119. You can buy it from them. But I think their hose reels are only 100 or 200 feet. So if that satisfies you, then you can do it from them. But but there are, like I said, my rotary nozzle is like 60 some dollars from Water Pressure Direct. I bought the I bought the hose reel and the rotary nozzle from Water Pressures Direct, and that included shipping. So this is just kind of an overview without running the piece of equipment right now of what I've done to modify it. I'm going to change the wand setup just to make it a little bit more professional. But this is a unit that I ran out, so I wanted to have plenty of hose on there so people could reach, you know, especially if they're using it in colder temperatures, you know, they could reach it without, you know, taking their hose too far from the house if they didn't have enough water hose, which I'll show you that hookup here too. It's just right here on this. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Any questions, feel free to ask. I appreciate you taking the time to watch the video, follow our channel, and for more videos to come of all our other equipment. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thanks, guys.